Benefits and limitations of turmeric for skincare. There are several benefits of turmeric to care for the skin. However, precautions should also be taken regarding its possible side effects. Did you know that it is possible to use turmeric to take care of the skin? So it is, although perhaps these uses are not as mentioned or known as its other benefits. As part of the clean beauty movement, Indian turmeric, sulfur or saffron as it is also known, is gaining traction. It is incorporated into daily routines to combat acne, lighten blemishes, and even wax. The root of this plant contains a compound called curcumin with powerful antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects. This would explain why turmeric is so good for skincare. How to use turmeric to care for the skin. For a long time, the root of turmeric has been appreciated, both from a culinary point of view and for its contribution to nutrition and health. There are supplements or preparations that are ready to consume or use, but there are also formulations that we can make ourselves in homemade recipes. Let's see in this video what are the various ways to use turmeric to care for the skin. Turmeric essential oil applied topically. Homemade lotion, placing a few drops of essential oil in a moisturizing cream. Turmeric masks. They are made with powdered extract, adding various ingredients. Turmeric tea. 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric are added to 3 or 4 cups of boiled water and steeped. Gel with aloe vera, turmeric and argan oil. Pasta can be made with milk, sea salt and flour or just water. It can be consumed in tablets or capsules as well. And as you can see, it can also be used in the kitchen in recipes. Next, we will know what are, in a particular way, the benefits of turmeric to take care of the skin. Number 1. Acne treatment. Its main component, curcumin, is considered an antiseptic and antibacterial. Due to this, it can reduce the proliferation of bacteria that causes acne, in addition to promoting the inflammation of the affected parts. Combined with other ingredients, it is believed that turmeric powder mass can diminish acne scars as well. Number 2. Lighten skin. Turmeric is considered to inhibit the production of melanin, so it can be used in the treatment of hyperpigmentation to lighten spots. Number 3. Shine and smoothness. Another benefit that turmeric can provide to the skin, as far as the tone is concerned, is to make it shine again. Even smoothness, since it improves microcirculation. Number 4. Dark circles. In the same order of ideas, applied with caution, turmeric reduces dark circles that form around the eyes due to tiredness, poor sleep, or stress. Number 5. Sun damage. Thanks to its antioxidant virtues, turmeric can neutralize or reduce the effects of sun exposure, pollution, or other external irritants. Number 6. Traces of aging. In addition, it promotes the production of collagen. In this way, the appearance of wrinkles is slowed down and sagging is prevented as signs of premature aging. Number 7. Psoriasis and eczema. As it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, turmeric helps in managing the symptoms of these skin conditions, reducing and preventing dryness, cracking, and bleeding. Number 8. Unwanted hair. It has been observed that applying a turmeric paste for several weeks can delay or reduce hair growth in unwanted areas. It is especially useful in armpits. Number 9. Cure and disinfect wounds. In addition to reducing inflammation and calming irritation, applying it as a paste on wounds, turmeric accelerates the formation of new tissue. Possible side effects and precautions. Not everything is perfect, not even when it comes to a natural product with so many beneficial properties. You have to consult with your doctor if you're going to try this natural treatment. Ideally, make sure you are not allergic to the product. Also, People who are taking iron supplements or blood thinners should use turmeric with caution. One of the considerations that is most often made regarding this root is that it can stain the skin. For this reason, it is recommended not to leave the masks on the face for too long. Also, it is preferable to mix it with milk and witch hazel to wash. Some people may experience irritation, burning, or redness after removing the product. In the event of any reaction, it is advisable to seek medical help and clean the area immediately and stop the treatment.